Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Recursive methods can look scary, but we can solve this logic puzzle quickly. Let's analyze how this specific string comparison works to find the truth. First, look at the compare to logic. The method returns true only if the first character is strictly greater than the second character. This pattern must repeat for every single character pair. In other words, the letters in the string must be in strictly descending alphabetical order. If any character is smaller than or equal to the next one, the method returns false. Check in our options, only one string follows this rule. Since E is greater than D and D exceeds C, we find our winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps for option D.